As logic itself is the patterns of what must be in order for there to be anything, and since there is something, and something must be, as in order to have nothing, it would be have to define in relative to something, therefore logic must be. Logic is what must be no matter what in all worlds, and from logic we can derive any truth that we could possibly derive, as it is the only means of deriving. In combination with the experience, as what is experience must be explained by logic in order for it to be true logic, we can start to deduce ontology, or what is real. This is an example by I think, therefore I am, which is based off of the process experience of I think, the logic of if I think, then there must be a thinker, or the thought must exist, therefore I exist. So the logic of this would be such that any given logical statement must be true in regards to the foundation of existence itself. And then, since existence is a necessity, because non-existence is impossible, then this would mean that any of these things must be true. Well, not exactly non-existence is possible, but existence is a must. Since any one of these logical statements must be proved to the self in order for the self to know it, the self must have in its experience an intimate understanding with a foreign concept of logic, since logic must be foreign, else if it was domestic to it, all it would be was the logic of self, and not a greater logic. Although the logic of self, this logic, since it is not exactly foreign, since it is present in all things, what I mean by foreign is, in essence, it is transcendent. It is all-present, omnipresent. And this is logos. From logos, you can derive any knowledge that can be derived by anything, since it is the only way to derive anything. In order for logos to be known, you first must have to have an experience of it, because that is what the self knows, is its own experience. Inside of the intellect, one can know things greater than simply experience by having predictive experience, experience that the intellect can use, but still, this is experience of the intellect. Thus, one needs to purify the intellect in order to have this pure entity enter it. This is done by fasting, meditation, prayer, and most of all, following the logos. If you have any impression of logos, take this as a gift and follow it.